Mabuhay! This is Angelino Ryan Ramos from BSHM1A. Today, I'll be sharing my thoughts on globalization and how it affects my daily life as a Filipino student. Globalization is the way countries around the world are connected through culture, technology, and trade. As a Filipino student, I can see and feel its effects in my daily life. Because of globalization, I can use the internet to learn, watch social videos, and communicate with people online. Many of the apps, gadgets, and study tools I use come from other parts of the world, which makes learning easier and more interesting. Globalization also affects our culture. We are influenced by foreign music, movies, and fashion, but we still keep our Filipino values and traditions. In school, we are encouraged to learn English and understand global issues to prepare for the future. However, globalization also has challenges like competition for jobs and the risk of losing our local culture. That is why it is important to stay proud of being Filipino while learning from the world. In, in conclusion, globalization affects my life as a student by shaping how I learn, communicate, and see the world. It brings both opportunities and challenges, and it is up to us to use wisely. So, how I can contribute positively to our interconnected world? I can contribute positively to our interconnected world by being responsible and respectful. As a student, I can use technology and social media wisely by sharing correct information and respecting different cultures and opinions. I can also contribute by studying well and improving my skills so I can help my community and country in the future by being proud of my Filipino values such as respect, kindness, and cooperation. I can show a positive image of Filipinos to the world. Lastly, I can help by caring for the environment and supporting good causes. Small actions, when done together, I can make a positive impact to our global community.